Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I have the summer 2018 glitter collection from Magpie Beauty to show you today. So I'm going to run through the colours and give you some close-ups, and then I'm going to do a super easy mermaid tutorial using Delilah, and I'm also going to be using Belle. So let's have a look at the colours. Okay, so this is May, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's like fire in a jar. It's so pretty. And Magpie described this as a medium-sized red gold iridescent glitter. Okay, so the next one is Roxy, and it is described as a chunky lilac iridescent mix. And I think this one is probably my favourite. It is just beautiful. Okay, so next up is Jasmine, and Jasmine is described as Lily's slightly chunkier sister, medium-sized white, blue, bronze, iridescent. And I actually have Lily here. I've got Lily in one of the smaller pots. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can see the difference. So Lily's very, very fine, and then Jasmine's slightly larger pieces. So I'll just give you a look at that close up as well, because it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, next up is Bonnie, and Bonnie is described as a fine neon coral gold iridescent glitter. Okay, last but definitely not least, and I think I probably lied and this is actually my favourite, this is Delilah. Delilah is described as a chunky ocean blue iridescent mix, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, all done. I'll pop a better picture at the end. Now, the collection's lovely. So what I ended up doing for the tutorial is I used Dolly Daydream as my base, and then I added Delilah from the summer 2018 collection. And then just to fill in any gaps, I used Belle, which was the green glitter. And then I finished off with the Don't Be Tacky top coat. So really, really pretty. I love these. The collection is just lovely to use. And I use the Magpie applicator and duster brush. And then obviously I've stamped with my mermaid scale image from my summer 01 plate. And the other thing I keep forgetting to tell you, now Magpie now has a stockist based in New Zealand, so she covers New Zealand and Australia, so anybody can purchase the glitters, but you do have to be a professional nail technician to purchase the gel polishes, and you do have to show a certificate before you're able to purchase. But we do have a stockist this side of the world now, so it's a lot quicker. I do believe that the shipping is overnight as well, so it's DHL shipping, so really, really quick and very, very professional shipping company, so that's great too. The other thing I just wanted to touch on one more time is the hand that I'm using. So I'm using one of the practice hands from GLAM. This is Elsa, and I just wanted to show you again, I did mention this in the video that I did the other day where I used pigments. I covered this in glitter. There are a few particles where I haven't washed it thoroughly enough, but all I did to get rid of the glitter is I just washed it in warm soapy water, because obviously the hand is silicone and the glitter just wanted to stick to it. So it came out really nicely. I will link GLAM below. Go check her out. She's absolutely lovely. The hands are the best ones I've seen, and I've seen a few different brands. These are by far the most realistic, and the tips just go whoop, and then you can just put more in, so they actually slide up inside the nail a long way. You don't have to glue them if you don't want to, and good as new, bit of warm soapy water, and you're ready to go again. So I'm going to stop talking because that was a huge amount of waffle. Guys, thumbs up if you like the video. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box. I'll link all of the products that I use below, and please subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate your support. Catch you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.